Hey guys, so something came in the mail for me today, and it's a new keyboard. Now, this is a Snpurdiri keyboard, but I'm just gonna be interviewing it. So, this is the Snpur something, 60% keyboard. So yeah, this is what it looks like. But I'll get to the sound in a bit. But I gave away my old keyboard to get this new keyboard. But the 2 is not working. But let's get to the sound. I know you guys want to hear the sound. So here it is. Yeah, so this is a good keyboard. It looks great and sounds great. Which this is the red switches, which sounds amazing. But yeah, this was just my interview of the Supreme something. But yeah, get it. It's really good. It's on Amazon. Just search this up. Snpurdiri 60% keyboard, and it'll be right there. It's this design with the red switches. But yeah, this is my interview. So yeah, buy this keyboard.